Hello guys, good morning. May minuto di isang ganamik. Lumpia Shanghai. There are the meat, my meat, and there is I'll cut small spring onion. And this is my carrot. My onion, garlic is here. I'll grind it with small. And I season it, and I'll put 2 eggs before I wrap it. I'll mix this all here. The one that I already finished grinder is a manual bullet. This is my menu today. I season this, and I season with salt, black pepper, and seasoning flavoring. And then I wrap it with spring roll wrapper. And this is my menu today. Spring roll Shanghai, Yeah, I'm gonna grind this carrot. I'll put it here inside here. I grind it until it will gonna small like this size, like that size. Before I season the meat. After I season it, I wrap it, and then I'll fry some for eating for the kids for lunch. This is our manual grinder. Making your muscle big because it's an some of this I'm gonna fry this before evening so that it will not gonna grab 3 pieces or 4 pieces and fry it I need 2 eggs. I have eggs here. I need to the egg because one time when I would put the egg direct to the and the egg is already spoiled, my lumpia will damage. My spring roll is damaged. The egg is not good anymore. minutes. I need to season it with salt and pepper. This is carrot. The carrot make it the mix sweet for my spring roll somehow. The spring roll became sweet because of the carrot. Black pepper. Where's my salt? My salt.